Whenever your data contains repeated information, the fastest way to understand what you actually have is to extract a clean list of unique values. And Excel can do that instantly with one function. Here I have the IT skills of 3 employees. Each person listed 7 skills, but the information is spread across multiple columns, and several skills appear more than once. For instance, Excel R and VBA skills appear 3 times. What I want is a quick overview of all the different skills available in the team, and I want each skill to appear only once. Instead of manually copying everything into one column and removing duplicates, I can get the full list with one formula. I type unique and embed the TOCOL formula I've shown you in the previous episode, select the table range, and choose one to ignore blank values. Unique removes every duplicate automatically, and TOCOL simply helps flatten the table so unique can work on a single list. Now I have a clear, deduplicated list of all IT skills in the team, ideal for planning, training, or assigning projects. Whenever you need a clean overview of what's in your data, Unique is one of the simplest and most powerful tools you can use. One formula, one clean list. Thank you for watching the video. Please like if you found it helpful,